Ooh, raining and thundering out and shit like that. Wow. You can hear it come down. My phone's not waterproof, but I'm outside. I'm getting drenched. Ooh, a tornado. That'd be awesome as hell. Yeah. Oh, I can feel it coming down, dripping on me. Dripping real fast. Ooh, drip, drip, drip. Okay, I better get inside before my phone gets fucked. My phone's not waterproof. Ooh, I got an idea. I got an idea. I'm gonna do something to make sure my phone doesn't get in trouble. Let's see. Is my tea done? Oh, my phone's getting drenched. Getting poured with water. I'm gonna get back in before my phone gets fucked. Ooh, thunder. Oh, shit. If you guys like this, give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you want to subscribe. Thank you very much.